We've asked why we haven't heard from aliens. But what if we already have? In this episode, we explore some of the most promising alien signal candidates ever recorded. These signals, while not fully confirmed, remain fascinating in their characteristics and raise important questions about whether we're already hearing whispers from the stars. Let's start with BLC-1. In 2019, scientists using the Parkes-Murray-Young radio telescope in Australia detected a narrow-band signal during observations of Proxima Centauri, the closest star system to our own. The signal lasted for several hours. It showed drift, a shift in frequency consistent with motion, which implies it wasn't local interference. Most importantly, it was a thin, narrow-band transmission, a trait typical of artificial signals. Nature doesn't make radio waves that precise. Technology does. Could this have been it? A real alien signal? Unfortunately, follow-up observations couldn't detect BLC-1 again, and researchers eventually found similar signal patterns on other days, even when the telescope was pointed elsewhere. Conclusion? Possibly interference, but not definitively. That ambiguity keeps BLC-1 in the running, right next to the WOW signal, as one of the strongest candidates for extraterrestrial communication. Next up, SHG-B02+14A. A mouthful, yes, but don't let the name fool you. This signal might be even more curious. It was detected in 2003 using the Arecibo telescope as part of the Email Protected Initiative, a distributed computing program involving over 5 million personal computers scanning the skies. Here's why SHG is special. It broadcast at 1420 MHz, the natural emission frequency of hydrogen, one of the most abundant elements in the universe. Many scientists believe this frequency would be used by alien civilizations as a cosmic calling card. It was detected 3 times. It originated from a region of space with no nearby stars, up to 1,000 light-years away. It showed signal drift, but with patterns that seemed off. Unfortunately, SHG was too weak to confirm whether it was technological in origin. It didn't seem to be interference, but it also wasn't strong enough to rule out natural causes. This is the recurring theme in the search for alien life. We get close. We detect something strange, something unique, something that feels engineered, but we can't say for sure. Why? Because we don't follow up long enough, or we lack confirmation, or we're limited by equipment, budgets, and assumptions. Let's not forget, aliens aren't human. If they exist, their logic, language, and even their idea of communication may be totally alien to us. A signal we dismiss as noise might be a greeting. A frequency we ignore might be sacred. A blink we miss might have been our first contact. And so, we wait. We listen. We record. And sometimes, first we wonder, have we already heard them and just not known it? At Infinity Beyond, we believe that the evidence is mounting. Maybe aliens are not light years away in the future. Maybe they're already whispering from the stars.